Thank you for joining us on the iGaming channel. Today our program is looking at 5 mistakes that iGaming affiliates make and how to fix them. So the first mistake that quite a few iGaming affiliates make, particularly novice ones, is they try and take on too many programs at once. So they might take on 30, 40, 50 plus programs, and realistically you don't have enough traffic to service that many operators and brands. So it's generally best to try and send most of your traffic to a handful of brands, the top performing programs that pound for pound, dollar for dollar give you the most return. Put those in your prime positions and try and filter all your traffic through to those ones where ultimately you'll get more money for your traffic. The second common mistake that iGaming affiliates make is ignoring basic SEO or trying grey hat and black hat techniques that have become outdated. So things like keyword stuffing, duplicate content, and also relying on paid traffic can be risky as well. So it's best really to invest in white hat SEO. So the basics like keyword research, quality backlinks, original, valuable, authoritative content, and fast loading sites. That all pays off in the long run. So use software like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or LowFruits. It is very good for finding low competition keywords. The third big common mistake that iGaming affiliates make is writing for operators, not for players. So don't make your content sound like it's a casino brochure. So try and use player first language, like ask real questions that players would ask, like, is this bonus worth it? How do I withdraw my winnings? Just be honest, clear and human. And use forums like Reddit and Google's people also ask to find out what players really want to know, and then you can design your content around that. Another common mistake that iGaming affiliates make is relying only on welcome bonuses. Don't just rely on the welcome bonus basket, so to speak. I mean, every affiliate promotes welcome offers, but what makes your content different? You need to think about highlighting the long-term player value, loyalty programs, VIP perks, the mobile experience, withdrawal speed, some of the basics that help with lifetime value rather than just focusing on the sign-up bonus with your content. The fifth and final mistake that iGaming affiliates make is not brand building. You have to remember that if your site just looks like thousands of other cookie cutter affiliate sites, players won't trust you, and neither will Google. So trust is everything in gambling, and you wouldn't put your credit details into a shady site, and neither will your visitors. So invest in your brand, use a clean design, show your face, use social proofing, and be transparent. Think about adding an about us page, author bios, and real contact information to show that you're a real company. It goes back to the basics of Google EEAT. So you've got to demonstrate experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. So just to recap those 5 common mistakes: chasing too many brands, ignoring basic SEO, writing for the operator and not the player, over promoting bonuses, and lacking a brand or trust signals and social proofing. So do fix those issues, and you'll find your iGaming affiliate business is a lot more scalable and profitable. All of our details of our iGaming digital marketing agency, I'll put those in the description below. Do please follow us for more marketing guides and interviews with business leaders in iGaming. Thanks for watching.